Welcome back to Tie the Knot, where Lorna's Lace's soulmate was about to choose their very own soulmate. Alright, well, we'll quit joking around and take a look at the contestants, shall we? First up are the Two Color Socks by Joji Locatelli. Contestant number 2 is a piece of some gorgeous color work from Jesse Ostermiller, the Tucson Pullover. And contestant number 3, a lovely fade shawl by Andrea Mowry, the Soulmate Free Your Fade Shawl. All 3 patterns are certainly gorgeous in their own way, but there can only be one winner, so who's it gonna be? And the Free Your Fade Shawl is today's winner. Congratulations to the both of you, you're beautiful together. And to all of you watching, each of the fabulous kits you see here are available at Jimmy Bean's Wool. And don't worry, you can always choose more than one. We'll see you next time on Tie the Knot.